So in this video, as you already saw on the thumbnail, I'm going to be talking about 3 habits that's preventing you from having a better relationship with your parents, which is very important because your parents are not just people that you have around you. Your parents were given to you by God for specific reasons. The features you have on your face and the personalities that you have embedded in you were brought about by these 2 people coming together, which is very, very important for you to understand. And you have to build a relationship with them regardless who they are or what you claim they have done to you. So pay attention to the rest of the video. Number 1, constant disrespect. Constant disrespect will actually hinder you from having a relationship with your parents. Our parents not only deserve our respect, but they demand it because they've done what is needed for them to have it. Now, some of you will be claiming that my parents never did blah, 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 blah to me. And then my only question to you is that how are you in this world? Did you come by osmosis or diffusion? Like, I don't really care what you think. Did you come by osmosis or diffusion? Like, let's be serious. You can't be disrespecting your parents. It's not right. You know, respect builds bridges and disrespect bends those bridges. Speaking rudely, walking out on your parent, and not doing what they ask you to do are all forms of disrespect. And I don't think that if you disrespect anybody, they would want to have a relationship. Number 2, comparing your parents to others. Your parents are who they are and not who you wish them to be. So stop comparing your parents to other people that you think would have been better choices for you. But you do not know that that's actually an insult to God, because God in his infinite wisdom decided to give you these particular people as your parents, regardless how you came into this world. Whether you had only one mom, you have only one dad, whether it was incest, whether it was rape, you are not a mistake. Maybe the method was a mistake, but you are not a mistake. And the truth is that if God didn't want it to happen, it wouldn't have happened. So you cannot be comparing your parents. Habit number 3, holding grudges. The person has a problem with their mother, and not only her, it's kind of like everybody and like their siblings, and everybody has like a problem with their mom. They claim their mom is just some way. Yeah, let's just say their mom is just some way. And due to certain words the mom has used on her and her siblings, and she feels offended, and then like even in the time at which she was telling me, or anytime you hear her talk about it, it feels so real because the offense is embedded deep into her heart, that like the grudge is so real that when she's talking about it, you can actually feel the words that were used on her. Sometimes it'll be very tough, you know. I honestly agree that sometimes our parents can say certain things that really break our heart. But then what I want to say to you is that if you hold grudges against them, you will never be able to have a relationship with them. And it's very essential that you have a relationship with your parents, because what you do not know is that if you check so there's actually a video we spoke about on this channel where you see that the curses of the father actually transfers to the children. And so if you build a relationship with your parents, you'll be able to overcome some of these things. So mistakes and conflict actually create a wall, and it prevents love. A bitter person is a very difficult person to actually work with. So you might think that, okay, I have a problem with only my mom, but what you don't realize is that because of the problem you have with your mom or your dad, it translates in all your other relationships, and then you become a very, very bitter person and a very difficult person to work with. You are more like a wounded snake. It's like you're looking for somebody to hurt or somebody to blame for the way your life is moving. And most of these people actually don't end well. So the last thing I'll say before this video ends is that habits tend to shape our lives. And the wrong habit would ruin your life, but the right habit will catapult your life by like 20%. So if you are building a relationship with your parents, you would want to avoid these 3 habits I just spoke about and try building new ones. Now, if you want me to make a video on the things you should do to recover from grudges with your parents or a very, very dysfunctional family setting, kindly say so in the comment section and I'll make a special video for you. And on that note, it's bye for now.